Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna jump right in. The back mine is already done. For this video, I'm only gonna be using the shea butter. Only that, the yellow African shea butter. You can get this from the beauty supply store, online. I don't know wherever else, but usually I get it from the beauty supply store. That's where I get mine. So I basically just use that as my everything. I didn't use oil or leave-in or styler. I only used the shea butter. So basically, I put the shea butter in my section of hair that I was using, and then once I finished doing that, I detangled that section thoroughly because I know I'm not gonna be using anything else. So make sure it's very detangled, and then I just went in and I started my flat twist. So for the flat twist, it's nothing new. If you've been following my channel, you already know we do not borrow any strands. Don't borrow any strands, and we just keep twisting until you get to the very end, and at the very end you twirl it around your fingers. That's all you got to do for this video, you guys. And also, if you don't know how to flat twist, it's basically just making a cornrow but with just two instead of three. And the reason why you have to make sure you don't borrow any strands is because when you get to unraveling, and if you borrow strands, your curls won't be as defined as you want it to be because you borrowed strands. So just make sure you do not borrow any strands at all. Zero. And as you guys can see right here, like this part I really didn't like because had a lot of just leftovers. It was just ugh. It just wasn't cute. And also, you guys, this is very, very greasy. So when you finish, there's gonna be a bunch of oil on your fingers. But honestly, it's worth it because it's really fast, it's really easy, it's just greasy as heck. So this is the very next day, and I just air dried naturally. And you guys, first of all, just watch, bruh, bruh. Like, who knew shea butter, the yellow shea butter from the beauty supply store, could get you that much definition? Like, I was just like, let me just see, like, what would happen if I just use this, because I'm Haitian, and back home when I was little, you just use grease for your hair. So I just said, you know what? Let me just try this and see what's up. Y'all, do y'all see that? Like, girl, I was just like, oh my God. Like, I really didn't think I would have that much definition. Like, I was blown away. For real. Look at this. Y'all see that? Come on. Come through, shea butter. Come through. Let me stop. But when you guys are unraveling your hair, make sure you go strand by strand and take your time. There is really no rush, because if you go like really fast with this, you might just mess up your curls. So just take your time with the unraveling so that your curls could be as defined as possible and minimize frizz. Once I finished, I got my little pick, and I just moved my hair like the on the side that I wanted. So if you want a middle part, a side part, a no part, like with bangs, just play with your pick and play with your hair until you get it to the side that you want it to be. And y'all, that's pretty much it. Like, that's all you gotta do. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video.